I'd like to go over our math worksheets this week. You have a couple of them all about making 10. We're going to be using 10 frames to figure out some math equations of how to make 10. Now our first one is how many to 10? First things first, name on your paper, Miss R. Now we have a 10 frame set up here and there's already some blue circles in them. Maybe I should set up our 10 frame with some blue circles already, just like the first one. Okay, we have to figure out how many to 10. Now, we're already starting with how many? 3 of them. So you're going to put the number 3 as our first number in our math equation. We have to figure out how many more to get to 10. Let's fill it up. Remember, when we're doing our 10 frame, we have to fill the first row before we go on to the next one. All right. How many did we use? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's right. We used 7. I'm actually going to fill in that 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My equation is 3 plus 7. Let's take a look at the next one. How many do we have already? 6. So that's going to start our equation with number 6. We have to figure out how many more to get to 10. Let's fill it in. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right. 4 more. So our math equation is 6 plus 4. You're going to fill out the rest of them and see if you can come up with the math equations to get to 10. Your other group of paper is all about making 10 with 2 different colors. And this is up to you how many you would like to do. The first one is done for you here. And it says, I used 5 red crayons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5 of the blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my math equation is 5 plus 5 equals 10. We're going to do the next one. You do need a red and a blue crayon. Now, if you don't have the red and blue and you want to use 2 other colors, that's okay. I just put it so we have it ready, red and blue. I'm going to draw some circles with my red. I think I'm just going to do 2. I used 2 red. Here's my number 2. I have to fill in the rest with the blue. So I'm going to take my blue and fill in the rest. All right. I did the rest in blue. Let me count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I used 8 blue crayons. Now I'm going to have to write my equation. Does anybody know what my equation is going to be? Yeah. 2 plus 8 equals 10. You're going to fill in all the rest. You have a whole bunch of different sheets to do. I think there's a purple and orange and a yellow and a green. Again, if you don't have those colors, that's okay. You can use any colors that you would like. But I'd like you to make up different equations. Any amount. But remember, fill it in together. I don't want to see any patterns in here. I'm going to put the reds together and all the blues together. All right, I can't wait to see your work and all the math equations you're going to come up with. I almost forgot. You also have some work online on the Pearson website. And there's a game on there called Toss the Chips. Many of you should remember how to play, but this time it's going to be online. So you're not going to have the real chips with you. You're going to have the ones that are online. And you're going to click the button. It'll toss the chips. You're going to figure out how many yellow, how many red.